What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn how to find out the minimum value of the data and how to find out the maximum value of the data. And after finding the minimum and maximum value of the data, how to find the range of the data. Okay. So as you can see from the data that we have multiple variables here: gender, education level, region, income and expenditure. Only income and expenditure are numeric in nature. So we will apply our operation on income. We will find out the minimum value of income and maximum value of income, and then the range from income. We have done the operations. I mean, some of the operations here. We have loaded our data. We have loaded the pandas library, which is required for the loading of the data. Then to load the data, we have used pd.readexcel, and we have imported our data, and we have stored our data in the name of Dipto. Whenever you have to call your data, you can call it by the name of Dipto, as we have stored the name as Dipto. We have stored the data in the name of Dipto. Now I want to find out minimum and maximum of income. Okay. So sorry. So basically, to find out the minimum and maximum of any variable, the code is very simple. What is the code? I have already performed this common performer in earlier two videos. I am again repeating it to you. You have to go by this method. At first, you have to write the dataset name. In our case, what is the dataset name? Dataset name is Dipto. Then you have to write the variable name within a third bracket and a double quotation, and then after giving a dot, you have to give the operation name and first bracket opened and closed. So what is the dataset name? Dataset name is Dipto. Then I will give a dot, and then I have to give the variable name. Sorry, not the dot. I have to give the variable name within a third bracket. So what is the variable name? You can give it in a double quotation or a single quotation also. Variable name is income. So I will provide income, and I will close the third bracket. Then after giving dot, I have to give the operation. For finding out minimum, what is the operation name? It is mean, min. Then I have to give a first bracket opened and closed, and if I execute this code, you find out that the minimum value will be given. What is the minimum value in the income data? In the variable of income, the minimum income present is 5843. If I want to find out the max, it is the same. We have to, I can store this minimum value into a name also. If I give a equals to, then our minimum value is stored in a. So now if I write a, our minimum value is being shown here. Now if I want to calculate the maximum value, it is the same. Here the operation name will be just max. Operation name will be max. Okay. And I can store this max value, that maximum income value is 55,544. I can store it in the name of b. So it will be b equals to, and then if I want to see that maximum value, I have to again type b and run the code to see the maximum value. Now what is range? Range is nothing but minimum, maximum minus minimum, right? Range is nothing but maximum minus minimum. To see the range, we can just write a as our maximum value is stored in a, minus b as our maximum value is stored in, my minimum value is stored in b. So a is our maximum value, we are writing a, minus b is our, sorry, I have mistakenly done it wrong. It should be b minus a, as b is our maximum value and a is our minimum value. So max minus minimum. This is the range, right? So if you execute it, you will find that the range of the data, or range of income, range of the variable of income is 49,700, which is huge, that is present in our data, and we can find out. If you want to make it more glorified, you can just write here within a double quote, you can write the range. I am writing it within a double quote. Okay, range of income, and I have to end the double quote, and then I have to give a comma, and then I have to give this entire thing. Okay, if I run this, you can see the range of income is 49,700.96. If I remove this comma, I think it will work. No, it will not work if I remove this comma actually. Yeah, let me just try. No, it will not work. You have to give this comma because that is required. Yeah, but it quite looks good if we just light this line. Okay, so the range of income is 49,700.96. Okay, in this way you can calculate the minimum value, maximum value, and the range of the data.